Hi, I'm Matt Kale, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here today to show you how to throw a Halloween party for your kids. Halloween parties, especially ones for children, are not something you decide to take on at the last minute. You're going to need a solid month to really prepare for the coming storm of all the children descending on your place. This is also good to get invitations out early, because if you wait too long to send invitations, people are going to already have plans and you're going to be too late. So, get your invitations out. I recommend getting invitations out about 2 to 3 weeks for children. Children's social lives are busier than they used to be, but they still don't compare to most adolescents and adults. So you don't need a full month. I generally lean against sending out invitations a full month ahead of time. It's easy for children to lose things or to outright forget things. There are a couple ways you can deliver invitations. One of the easiest is making good old traditional paper invitations and having your child bring them to school. If most of the people they're going to be inviting are their classmates, that's great. Have them take them in, have invitations for everyone, and have them distribute them on their desks. So a downside to that, children lose things. If you do that, you may have your child follow up with their classmates to make sure exactly who's coming and who's not. If they've lost the invitation, they can often provide the information again. You need to make sure and have checks. Otherwise, you could have people who don't know whether or not they can come into the last minute when there's a lot of children remember to ask their parents for things.